Welcome back students. So this is our Brand sir, and today in this video I'll cover your adverb. And my dear friends, it's a very interesting topic, so you must watch this video till the end so that you can understand it very good. And after watching, you must write this all things in your note copy so that you can understand it very good. So my dear friends, let's move on into the next phase so that we can understand. So here is our first phase of this video. Welcome back students. So here is your adverb. So let's see its definition. Adverb, it's a word that adds more to the meaning of above an adjective or another adverb. It's called adverb. For example, I dreamed about you last night. So my dear friends, dreamed is a verb and last night is your adverb. So let's see the second one. As you know very well, an adverb is usually placed after the verb when it's used in a sentence. So first example, she worked quite hard, and the second one is your he runs quickly, and the third one is your she is so beautiful. So my dear friends, in this sentence, hard, quickly and beautiful, these are your adverb. So my dear friends, you must write these all things in your note copy so that you can understand it very good. So my dear friends, let's move on into the next page so that we can understand it very good. So my dear friends, here is your next page of this video. Welcome back students. So let's see the types of adverb. As you know very well, there are 8 kinds of adverb. So first one is your adverb of time, and the second one is your adverb of place, and the third one is your adverb of manner, and the fourth one is your adverb of degree or quality, and the fifth one is your adverb of frequency, and the sixth one is your adverb of duration, and the seventh is your adverb of probability, and the eighth one is your affirmative adverb, that is also called adverb of negation. So my dear friends, these are the types of adverb. So you must write this all things in your note copy so that you can understand it very good. So my dear friends, let's move on into the next page. And my dear friends, in the next page we will learn one by one its definition. So my dear friends, let's move on into the next phase of this video. So here is your next phase of video. Welcome back students. So here is the first definition of your adverb of time. So let's see. This so when an action or something is done or happens. So my dear friends, let's see the example. Your first example is your let's talk now, and the second one is your I'll do it later. So my dear friends, in this sentence, now and later is adverb of time, and the second one is your adverb of place. This so where an action or something is done or happens in a sentence. For example, first we are here, and the second one is oh she looked up. So my dear friends, in this sentence, here and up is a adverb of place. So my dear friends, these are the importance to write in your note copy so that you can also remember this one very good. So my dear friends, let's move on into the next phase without wasting time. So here is your next phase of this video. Welcome back students. So here is the next definition of your adverb of manner. So my dear friends, let's see its definition. This show how an action or something is done, and it answers the questions by using how. So let's see the first example. He controlled the situation well. And the second one is the children ran happily to their father. So my dear friends, here is your spelling mistake, and correct will be your children. So let's see the next one. As you know very well, here well and happy is your adverb of manner. So let's see the next definition, adverb of degree. So this show the questions to what degree or how much. It is usually placed before the adjective and adverb. For example, you are totally right. And the second word is oh, we almost have done. So my dear friends, in this sentence, totally and almost is your adverb of minor. So let's move on. Welcome back students. So here is your next definition of your adverb of frequency. What is your adverb of frequency? Let's see. This answer the questions how often. That is called adverb of frequency. For example, I always brush my teeth after a meal. And the second one is your we often meet and chat. So in this sentence, always and often is your adverb of frequency. So my dear friends, never. So here is your spelling mistake. Correct will be your never. Never. Never, seldom, ever, sometimes, generally, hardly, occasionally. These are the example of adverb of frequency. And the sixth one is your adverb of duration. This shows us the length of the action or state. It answers the questions by using for how long. For example, he will forever be her little boy. And the second one is the world is constant. The world is constantly changing. So my dear friends, in this sentence, forever and constantly is your adverb of duration. So let's move on. Welcome back students. So here is your seventh, and seventh is your adverb of probability. So let's see, this shows us the changes for the action or state to happen. It answered by using how, likely. For example, she will certainly forget about it. Second one is maybe we will come after all. So my dear friends, in this sentence, certainly and maybe is your adverb of probability. So my dear friends, eighth one is your affirmative adverb. So what is your affirmative adverb? Let's see. It includes yes, no, surely, certainly, indeed, etc. For example, certainly he will come today. And the second one is I know that he will say yes to come. So my dear friends, in this sentence, certainly and yes is your adverb of affirmative. So my dear friends, thank you for watching, and you must write this all things in your note copy so that you can understand it very good. So see you again in the next video. Till then, have a fun. Bye bye.